Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you?
I am fine, and by the grace of Allah. And you?
I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. What's your name?
My name. I am a student.
What class do you study in?
I am studying in class 9.
Wow. What's your full name?
My full name is Muhammadullah Abidin.
Uh, what's your nickname?
My nickname is Muhammad.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is
Black.
black.
Wow. So black means there's a sign of darkness. So do you like most?
Yes.
So what's your favorite food?
My favorite food, kachi.
So do you want to know what's my favorite?
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is kachi as well.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color black and white. Black means the sign of darkness and white is the sign of brightness. This is the light day. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Nurul Kabir.
Uh, you are the student of madrasa.
Yes.
I'm right. So you are speaking English fluent. I pray for you. You will be a good speaker one day. How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 3 sisters.
What's the name of your brothers?
My brother's name is Muhammad Ali.
What's the name of your sister?
My sister's name is Ilya's sister's name is Muhammad Maknan Akhtar.
What's the name of your madrasa?
Madrasa name is Birpur Madhanik Dakil Madrasa.
Wow. So, do you like speaking English?
Yes, I like speaking English. That is my big dream.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. May I know your name?
Yes, sure. My name is Jahidur Rahman Mamun and I can comfortable when anybody call me Mamun. You can call me Mamun because that's my nickname.
What does your father do?
Actually, my father is died about 12 or 13 years ago. He was a farmer.
What is your future plan?
My future plan is being an expert freelancer. And may I know what's your future plan?
My aim in life is to be a good teacher.
Thank you very much. That is very effective for our words. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.